Today's recipe is sweet potato buns. We're going to start off with a half a cup of warm water. And I'm just going to add this to my bowl. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give it a quick mix. Now I'm going to add 1 packet of active dry yeast. Give it another quick mix, and we're going to set that aside for now. And here I have a medium size to large sweet potato. And I'm mashing it with a fork. I already pre-cooked it. I'm going to add 1 cup of oat flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to add this mixture into our sweet potato. Now we're going to add our yeast mix. And we're just going to incorporate it by using our hands. And this is what you get, and our mix is ready for now. And I'm going to measure it because I'm meal prepping for my husband, but you can go ahead and skip this and just make them the size that you want them. So I'm making little average size balls, and I'm smashing them down slightly. And I got a total of 5 5-ounce buns of these. Actually 4 5-ounce buns of these, and the last one I believe was like 3.5 ounces. So you cover them, let them rest, and then they're ready to bake. I'm just making these little marks just so they look like little hot crust buns. So we're going to bake them at 350 for 20 to 30 minutes. It all depends on your oven. I use my toaster oven, so mine took a little longer. Yours might take a little less time, but there you go. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and talk to you guys next video. Bye.